Hello everyone, I'm Min. Here is my Engineering Compute 100 contest submission. My game is BB. The reason why I called it BB is that it is a game about a ball and a bullet. Let's see how it looks like. Here is a main menu showing 4 options. So the start one, we will be asked to choose our colors, shapes, and skills. At first, we only have the default ones. And then the game will start. We can move by pressing up, down, left, right on the keyboard. And if we reach the boss, we can press the space bar to attack it, like this. And as you see just now, if the bullet reaches us, our point will decrease, and our HP will decrease. We will win if the HP of the boss equal to 0 and our HP is positive. Then we can earn 3 points and the call of the boss. So the second one is shop. We have 0 point in real game, but now I just change it to 100 so that I can show the function more conveniently. We can buy new shapes and skills in shop using points. We can spend 3 points each to buy the first 4 shapes. And there is a random option in shape shop. By choosing it, we can spend 2 points to draw a shape randomly. If we draw a shape that we have had in our bag, we will still lose 2 points. For skills, each skills will cost 5 points. And we can equip skills to become more powerful. And the third one is bag. We can check our points, colors, shapes, and skills at here every time. And finally, we can change the difficulty of the game in setting. The greater difficulties the boss has, the more points we can get when we defeat it. So now I changed the difficulty to 3. I played it again. So now we have the red color. And I bought its hexam and attack +1. Yeah. And then it is how it looks like. That's all about my game. See you. And here is a skeleton of my game. At very first, I just searched MATLAB game in Google and find a snake game. I was inspired by it because it uses while loop to keep the snake moving, and I found it is possible to control my row using keyboard. So I use the while loop in the start part and plot it with changing data array loop to keep the ball moving. So one of the difficulties I met in the start part uh, is how to generate a new position of bullets every loop, make it track the ball and disappear after a period of time. I divided this function into 3 parts. The first part is used to eliminate the bullets after it moves 40 times. I use a variable boss attack phrase to record the motion of the bullet and put the bullet to somewhere out of the screen as long as the constant equal to 40. The second part is used to generate a new bullet if there is no bullet on screen. I used a if function to generate it randomly as long as there is a bullet. The variable boss attack constant become to 0 or become to 1. So in the next loop, this part will be neglected. The third part is the chasing system. XA, YA are the position of the bullet. XY are the position of the ball. At first, I just compare the value x minus XA and y minus YA in this case. As long as the ball is on the left up side of the bullet could only move up and down. So I realized it is round and I choose to compare the absolute value of them, and it works perfectly. I create knife function. Actually, I met so many difficulties while doing this project, such as how to change the position of the walls when its HP decreases and how to create a random option in shapes drops and so on. But my video can only have 5 minutes, so now I have to end it. I have to say that taking part in this contest is a painful but enjoyable experience. It really makes me to master MATLAB better, and thanks for watching.